All right, here's a job that we've been on. I've had a couple issues with this job. I cut the cable line. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right there. There was an irrigation head underneath this rock. We had to relocate it to here. So this is chopped stone right here. This is autumn blend sandstone. And then we got Fairland pink on the inside. And then it goes all the way down to the end. We still have to come back and fill in these joints tomorrow and obviously finish that spot off right there. But besides that, pretty much everything is done. The original plan was to go from here over that way, but we didn't think about the entrance to the door nor the trash cans, so we went ahead and scalped this area and applied Fairland granite and some Texas sandstone there. Contact us today for your free quote, 512-822-83.